So, Cindy, here we are, finished product. You reached out to us. What led you to reach out to JVI Super Gardens?
I have been through about 4 years of really misery with this farm. Just bad experiences. And I came out to the shop and I saw your work, and I just knew it was going to be a good fit. I was so impressed constantly. I wanted right then. I couldn't wait to get started.
What did you see when you came out to our garden center? Like, what did you see?
I just saw your aesthetic. I saw the care, just they were so serene, and they were so well thought out and so pretty and really meticulous. And I just did the job.
Perfect. Well, that is our goal. So you came, you saw us, you had, for 4 years, you say, with trials and tribulations.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Well, the first one was I got ripped off. They used a bad liner and bad plumbing and got leaks in it. And then the second guy came in and thought I was going to be happy with that, and was told that the liner that was put in, that nothing would ever be able to destroy it or wear through it. And then I got a problem with little rodents.
Right, the rodent issue.
Yeah, I got rodents back by the waterfall, and they did so much damage I couldn't believe it. I would have never imagined that they could have done that.
Wow.
But so I had to pull all that out, and but I love what you did. I love the metal reinforcement, the metal mesh. And
because we had to put something back there.
Right.
If the rodents, and they could come back. We hope they don't, but if they do, we needed some layer of defense to stop. It's not uncommon.
Yeah. Well, I don't think they'll be bad. I've eliminated like anything that we brought into the yard. But anyway, I can't even say enough. I'm just really in awe of how beautiful this is. It is everything I wanted, not knowing what I wanted.
Right.
It's like the answer to the question
Sure.
that I didn't even know I was asking.
Well, there's a saying in the industry: you don't give the customer what they ask for, you give them what they want.
It fit the bill. It is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to come out here tonight.
It's the best. So you have your daytime water feature, you got lights on it, so you have your nighttime water feature. So here we come, 4 years, full circle all the way back. So we actually stopped with the repair, blew the whole thing up, and just started over completely.
And that was so cool. And I can't thank you enough for, because when y'all did you were here the first time and did the underlayment.
Right.
And everything, and I thought it was going to stop there. And then, I started thinking, because the pump was kind of loud, and it wasn't y'all's pump, it was the previous pump. And I just slept on it and thought, I think I'm just going to go for it and quit throwing my money away and just go for it and get what I want and just enjoy it.
There you go.
This is what it's for.
That's it.
I love it.
Thank you, Cindy.
I'm sure. Absolutely.